So delicious. Go ahead and try it, guys. You will love it. It's my spinach apple smoothie. So delicious. Only spinach, apple, banana, yogurt, and coconut water. Go ahead and try it. You can use any liquid you prefer, but for this taste you have to use a coconut water. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a spinach apple smoothie. Okay, so before I go, as is customary, remember to like, share, comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sharing and commenting. Remember to follow me on all social networks. Okay, thank you so much. So let's dive right into this video. So I have here some spinach. Remember, we're going green this season. Spinach. I have some green apple. I have a banana. I have my yogurt. I'm using a yogurt this time. And I have coconut water with no pulp. So I'm gonna get started. No foods frozen today. So I'm gonna have to use less coconut water to get the consistency. Okay. Banana. 1 large apple cut up. It was diced up. It was not peeled. And the spinach. Gonna put the yogurt. That's fine. I'm gonna cover there you have it, guys. All done. My spinach green apple smoothie. I'm gonna share this now. Look how rich this is. So rich. So good. So good, guys. It is so nice. It have a tangy taste from the apple, and the banana make it a little sweet. So it's so good. Yes, so good, guys. Go ahead and try it. You will love it. Okay. So good, I have to taste it twice. Okay, so go ahead and try my spinach apple smoothie today. You will love the taste of it. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for watching. On to my next video. Bye.